Today, we're slowing things down with a cinematic touch. I'll show you how to create a smooth slow motion effect right inside the InShot app. Let's jump in. First, open the InShot app and create a new video project. Import the clip you want to slow down and tap the green check mark to start editing. Now, tap the clip on the timeline so it's selected. Then scroll through the bottom toolbar and tap on speed. To slow things down, drag the speed slider to the left. You'll see your clip extend on the timeline, and when you hit play, you'll get that slow motion feel. Now, here's a quick tip. If you want your slow motion to look smooth and not choppy, make sure your original video was recorded in 60 fps or higher. The more frames per second, the better the slow motion will look. Additionally, you can tap on this smooth option here so that InShot will process your clip and give you a smooth slow motion effect. Once you've adjusted the speed to your liking, tap the check mark to apply it. Play back your video to check out the smooth slow motion effect you just created. And that's it. You've added some serious cinematic flair to your video using InShot. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner friendly InShot editing tips.